costs can drop basically to nothing. For veterans, there's a property tax exemption. Number 6, Tennessee. Here's a sneaky good one for the RVers. And Tennessee doesn't tax your wages, no state income tax on earned income. And here's the kicker. Tennessee is one of the only states that doesn't charge admission to its state parks at all. You don't even need a special pass. It's free for everyone. As it's a low-cost state and the central location is for crisscrossing the United States, Tennessee punches way above its weight. Number 5, Virginia. If you rank states purely on total of veterans benefit, Virginia sits right at the top of the country. 100% permanent and disabled vets get full real estate tax exemption, free vehicle registration, free hunting and fishing, and strong educational programs if you got dependents. The trade-off, Virginia does have a state income tax, so it's better if it fits your roots there than if you just do it pure for tax shelter domicile. It's one of the most generous states that there is. Number 4, and this is kind of a dark horse, South Carolina. A lot of veterans sleep on this one, and you shouldn't. 100% P&T disabled vets get a full property tax exemption, and it covers 2 vehicles, not just one. Military retirement pay, fully exempt from state tax at any age, and there's no cap. And here's what sweetens it. That property tax exemption can go retroactive to when you acquired the home, which means a real refund check for recently rated vets. Warm coast, lower cost of living, and one of the most improving states for veterans there is right now. All right, we've reached the top 3. South Dakota. This is the full-timers' favorite for one big reason. It's the easiest state to domicile in, period. You need just one night in the state, keep your campground receipt, and you can go get your driver's license and register your vehicles. No state income tax, some of the lowest registration fees in the country, and mail forward services built specifically for RVers. One on its known as of recently, the state and local elections now take a 30-day stay. So you know that going into it. For sheer ease and low cost of setting up your home base, South Dakota's really tough to beat. Number 2, Florida. The Sunshine State is a full-timers classic and good for a reason. No state income tax, warm weather year-round, which means you can actually use those state parks in January. And the veteran side, Florida offers property tax exemption starting at just 10% disability rating, not 100% like the other states. 100% disabled, that homestead exemption goes even further. For free license plates for disabled vets, tuition waivers for dependents, and a huge veteran community with VA facilities all over the state. It's a top-tier domicile and a great place to actually spend your winters. And the number 1 state for veteran RVers, Texas. Texas checks every single box on this list. No state income tax. It's one of the big 3 for domicile states. With mail services in Livingston, built for RVers, 100% disabled vets get full property tax exemptions on their homestead, and there's no cap. But here's the one that's perfect for us specifically. Texas let former military apply for a special license plate based on the awareness of your 214. For a lot of veterans, that plate cuts your RV registration costs dramatically. We're talking a couple $100 a year saved on the rig alone, and it often gets to be free parking at airports too. Add the Texas State Park Pass on top, and for veterans living full-time on the road, Texas gives the biggest total dollar value in the country. That's why it's my number 1. The giveaway, I promise. I'm giving away 3 copies of my book, RV Camping for Veterans, an independent guide to federal campgrounds, parks, and public lands. It's a complete playbook using your veterans passes to camp free or dirt cheap at national parks, Corps of Engineers, and public lands. And here's how to enter. It's simple. Head to the link in the description and enter your email on the page. That's it. If you don't win the book, it's a token of my appreciation. I'm going to include a detailed 50-state guide. It serves as a guide to veterans and disabled veterans to identify potential state and federal benefits related to RV travel, property taxes, military retirement income, and hunting and fishing license. And it's yours for free. And while you're here, hit the subscribe button and give us a like. It's not required to win. It just generally helps other veterans find our channel. Then on August 1st, I'll pick 3 winners at random and announce them in a pinned comment. Winners will get a free copy of my book sent right straight to them. And we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and I want you to be the one to put us over top. So until then, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the road.